Okay, today we have more GMM replicas, and I just got the envelope in the mail. This one's different because it came from Landis Studios directly. So, as I'm told, the proprietor of the Landis Studios has been selling off their old GMM inventory. And so I have here a 1796 draped bust uncirculated silver reproduction set. And let's get into it. I'm very excited. Alrighty. This one is first. Let's see what we got. Very nice. This is the $1. 1796 $1. It's gorgeous. Wow. I like that it's in plastic so that this capsule stays nice and clean. This lettered edge, dollar per unit. Edge. I don't think you can see that. No. But beautiful coin. So that's the $1. Put up here. And then we have this would be the dime, I think. Dime. Beautiful. Okay. Dime. This would be a half dime. No, half dime. Okay. This would be the quarter. They're all in great shape. Nice luster, nice strike. Oh, there's a little rim ding down here. Interesting. That's bigger than a modern quarter. And $1. And you can see the half there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 stars. $1. And another $1. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 7. So this is the 16 star. We have the 15 star and the 16 star $1. Just so beautiful. So let's see, I'll line them up. Half dime, dime, quarter, $1, and the $1. There we go, 6-piece set. And they all have the same reverse with the small eagle. No denomination on the quarter. I wonder if it's on the edge. Oh, reeded edge. Interesting. Yeah, all these three have reeded edges, and the $1 has lettered edge. I can't exactly read that. Well, $1 or 50 cents. No. I don't know if I can read that. $50 or 50 cents. Alrighty. Very happy camper again. It's an early Christmas for me. Okay, thanks for watching. In God we trust.